Quantum Equipment's Eclipse analytical and precision balances combine innovation and brilliant precision, bringing a balance of durability and performance to any lab. The Eclipse boasts a clever design and compact footprint, occupying minimal space on the bench. The keypad's smooth surface allows fingerprints to be wiped off easily. The keys operate easily with just a feather-light touch and respond readily even to latex-gloved fingers. Featuring one of the largest LCD readouts in the industry, the Eclipse displays sizable white digits on a deep blue background. The Eclipse offers models with readabilities from 1/10 of a milligram to 1/10 of a gram. Precision models and models with larger pans come with a removable draft shield for bulky or heavy samples. Analytical models come with a glass-enclosed weighing chamber that can be disassembled when cleaning. The Eclipse achieves connectivity with precision and speed, whether it's basic data printing or advanced communication. USB and RS-232 interfaces optimize data transfer, while a third interface allows use of an optional remote display. Fine-tuning the balance during setup is accomplished with adjustable rear feet, ensuring optimum weighing results. Users can monitor the leveling indicator located prominently on the front of the Eclipse. The Eclipse's selection of weighing units facilitates numerous lab applications. Users can program a custom unit for more complex unit weight calculations or disable unwanted weighing units. The Eclipse features a dynamic weighing mode and digital filter settings to improve accuracy. Measuring the density of both liquids and solids is achieved using below balance weighing or the optional density kit. Illuminate your lab with the Eclipse.